Welcome. If you love discovering new ways to boost productivity and creativity, you're in the right place. Here we break down AI tools that save time, simplify tasks, and help you build smarter habits, all explained in a clear and beginner-friendly way.
I'm not exaggerating when I say this. Notion AI genuinely feels like having a second brain inside your workspace. Not a chatbot on the side, but something that actually works with your notes, tasks, and docs. And once you see what it can do, it's hard to unsee it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who uses Notion for notes, projects, planning, or even team collaboration, today's video is going to hit different. I've been testing Notion AI, which is built directly into Notion. And in this video, I'll show you what it actually does, what problems it solves, how it feels to use, and yes, we'll also talk about pricing based on what's shown on their site. So first things first, Notion AI isn't a separate app. It lives inside Notion. That means instead of copying text into another tool, everything happens right where you're already working. You can highlight text, open a page, or start typing, and Notion AI jumps in to help you. Write, summarize, translate, rewrite, organize, and even turn messy thoughts into structured content. It feels less like asking AI and more like collaborating with it. If you've ever stared at a blank page not knowing how to start, or had a massive doc and thought, there's no way I'm reading all of this. Yeah, same. Notion AI solves that mental overload problem. Instead of doing everything manually, you can ask it to summarize long documents, pull out action items, rewrite things more clearly, or even change the tone of what you wrote. It's like a productivity shortcut without leaving your workflow. From what's shown in the platform, here are some standout features. One of my favorites, AI writing inside documents. You can literally type something like, help me draft this, and it fills in the rest naturally. Another big one, summaries. You drop in a wall of text, click summarize, and boom, clean, readable highlights. There's also translation, tone adjustments, and rewriting. You can make something shorter, clearer, more professional, or more casual in just one click. And because it's built into Notion, it works across pages, notes, wikis, and databases, not just one chat box. Honestly, the biggest reaction I had was how natural it feels. There's no awkward back and forth, no prompt engineering stress. You just use it. I caught myself thinking, wait, I didn't even open another tab. Everything stays organized, clean, and connected to your workspace. That's the real win here. Let's quickly talk pricing based on what's shown on the site. There's a free plan, which lets you use Notion with limited AI access. The Plus plan is shown at $10 per month, giving more AI usage and features. The business plan is $20 per user per month, aimed at teams that need more collaboration and advanced tools. And then there's Enterprise, which is custom priced for larger organizations. So whether you're solo or working with a team, there's a tier that fits different needs. So yeah, Notion AI isn't just another AI tool. It's a smarter way to work inside a space you might already be using every day. If you're curious, definitely try it out and see how it fits your workflow. And if you've already used Notion AI, drop a comment. I'd love to know what feature you use the most. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more tool breakdowns like this, and I'll see you in the next one.